Hey y'all, in this video we're going to finish up drawing Bruno from our all-time favorite Disney's movie Encanto, and I just can't wait to see how this turns out. Also, make sure to let me know in the comments who you want me to draw next, and let's go ahead and get started. And now I'm working on Bruno's hair, and I'm using the short hair brush to add some highlights and add some texture to Bruno's hair. And basically this brush is the original Procreate brush that you can find in the materials category, I believe, but I made it more dense to create thicker curls. So I will just work my way through just like so, and then we'll add some highlights with a thinner brush later. So now that we're done with the upper half, we can go ahead and get started with the bottom half, which will include his shirt, his neck, his hands, and this little cute mouse, which I believe is going to be the hardest part of this drawing, but I'll try my best and we'll see what I can do. And now I'm just starting with sketching out where all of these things would be, and we will add all the details and make it come to life in a little bit. So let's see how this goes.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't.
We are halfway done with the little one, and as you can see I have his main fur coat done. So now I'll be working on adding details, his facial features, his little paws, tiny fingers, his tail, and anything of that sort. So let's see how this goes.
thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, can't fade the black.
And now we are finishing up with the little one, and the only thing that's missing is these little white hairs all over his body. And now we are going to slowly shift into drawing his hands and his jacket or whatever the heck he's wearing. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I am about to get started with the second hand, and also make sure to pause this video right now and comment down which Encanto character you want me to draw next. And I was thinking of making a tutorial on drawing Dolores, but again, it can be anyone from the movie, such as Luisa, Mirabel, Isabella, Antonio, Camilo, whichever one is your favorite. So again, make sure to pause this video, comment down your favorite character, and then keep watching this video till the very end because you don't want to miss the results. I am so happy to say that the only two things that are left are his jacket and the background. Also, I have been working on this drawing for over an hour, if not two, so I hope that it will be so worth it. Anyways, for the jacket, I chose the sage green color, and then I used the color picker tool to select the darker shade of sage to add all the shadows and all the creases. And now we're actually literally gonna be adding texture to his clothing. And for this task, I'll be using the graphite brush in the sketching category, and they're my favorite to use when drawing different kind of clothing because they give it really nice natural texture, and I believe that you can find them for free, so again, you don't need to customize or download anything. So this is what I'll be working on for the next maybe 20-ish minutes, and I hope that it will be so worth it. So let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, this part is so satisfying. I loved every second of me doing this part. So here I'm basically adding these little white hairs onto his clothing, and it's just so satisfying. I feel like I could do this forever. I love this part so much. And I'm using a regular Procreate pencil. Again, no need to download anything. You can find it in the either inking section or the sketching section. And now we're on to adding the background, and I think that I'll go with this deep orange color. This one looks good, and I also feel like outlining him using a light pen in a pretty neon yellow or green color would look really cool. And yellow would go a little bit better with the background, but on the other side, whenever he predicts the future, which is a superpower in the movie, his eyes light up with green neon light or whatever, and I feel like this will be a really cool and thoughtful element in this drawing. But let's actually go ahead and go with the yellow color. It would kind of go with the background a little bit better, just like so, and this drawing is getting a big glow up. Look at how good this looks with this little light pen effect. I love it so much. And then I'll use some of the other creative Procreate brushes to kind of fill in the background a little bit because I don't want to make it look plain. And I will see you all in a minute. finally finished drawing Bruno from Encanto. This took me over 2 hours to draw, so make sure to follow my YouTube channel right now and also like this video for more tips and tricks and tutorials about Procreate. Also, if you have not yet, make sure to scroll down to the comment section and comment down below which Encanto character you want me to draw next. And I will see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!